out here trying to get the lawn mowed, and I got a bunch of dirt that came out of the fuel line, the black stuff. So my fuel filter's ruptured. Do have a filter on it, Texas dust, and so just disassembling the float bowl and carburetor. This mower, I'd cleaned the tanks out 2 years ago, removed them, diesel, shook them out, air dried them, washed soap and water, air dried them, rinsed with carb cleaner, and wiped them out. I could get my hand in those tanks. The fuel necks are big enough. And this is an Aaron's zero turn. The original engine had a broken rod. Kohler V-twin, go figure. But, you know, maintenance. So today, Monday, is what I find myself doing. Tearing a carb apart for a light cleaning or heavy cleaning. Haven't opened it up yet, but about to do that and see what we have to work with. And trying to do this with a mask. Yeah, that'd be why. Look at all those nasties. I'm gonna fully disassemble this and clean it and reassemble it. And then flush the lines, replace the lines, at least clean out the lines, and with carb cleaner. They're pliable and they have some give to them, so the ends aren't splitting. And we'll be back on the boat maybe this afternoon.